single gas is the check engine light. It functions as the dashboard light in your car. If that light goes on, you know something's wrong. Something isn't right, and you have to go take it in for more analysis. You take it to the garage, they plug it in the computer, and they can look at it, hear it, feel it, touch it, listen to how it's running, and tell you exactly what's wrong with your car. So the G1 functions as that check engine light. It tells you the hydrogen level, which will give you an idea if there's a high energy discharge event going on inside the transformer.
With a hydrogen, I'm just knowing that there's some kind of incipient fault starting to be created on the inside, that it's going to take an extra effort of oil testing to really identify those. Where with a 5-gas or a 9-gas, I'm actually getting that on that instant information and gives them an idea of what it possibly could be that it's faulty.
When you're looking at applying a DGA monitor to specific types of transformers, you want to do it on a transformer by transformer basis. And the reason is because the criticality of each of those pieces of equipment is different, right? So you want to put a higher level of decision making, of financial resources, of energy into those pieces of equipment that have a higher criticality, that have a higher downstream impact, right? So we do that by applying, say, a 9-gas monitor to higher criticality equipment. The higher the criticality, the more data we want on that equipment to make decisions.